First responders are usually the first trained medical contact for people at a medical emergency.
Which is why keeping up to date on training and new techniques is important. Shelley Botat has more in tonight's Health Watch.
The time it takes someone to get to the hospital in an emergency can mean the difference between life and death, which is why Aurora BayCare Medical Center is working to make sure rural paramedics get the training they need. This workshop at Aurora BayCare is filled with more than 100 emergency medical technicians from rural fire departments, learning the latest in heart attack procedures.
To help the EMS in the community better serve the patients that they bring to us.
Kevin Sear, a firefighter paramedic in Two Rivers, is hoping the workshop will help him save more lives.
It's stuff that we weren't taught in school. We had a small segment that we learned in school, and then over the years, the technology changes and refreshers changes, and we still learn a little bit, and it's not offered without a seminar like this.
Which is why Aurora BayCare is hosting the workshop.
In order to provide the best care, it is probably the most important thing to do is to educate the EMS and make sure that they're aware of what policies or procedures we have in place and how they can help us improve that door-to-balloon time.
A grant from the American Heart Association and the Wisconsin Office of Rural Health paid for the seminar.
We bring education to our rural EMS providers and then also our hospitals, so they have access to guidelines that are up to date so that they're bringing that back to their hospitals and their services so that our patients and our communities can have the top of quality care.
And the faster EMS workers stabilize a patient and get them to the hospital, the better chance for survival.
I think programs like this absolutely save lives. It gives them the ability to learn or relearn a skill that they already knew and better improve those skills.
Aurora BayCare Medical Center has received the American Heart Association's Mission Lifeline accreditation. They met all the standards from pre-hospital care to post-procedure care for heart attack patients. It is the only hospital in Wisconsin to do so. To learn more, you can call Aurora BayCare or email HealthWatch at aurorabaycare.com. For Health Watch, Shelley Botat, Local 5 News HD.